Now, if you want to add a TikTok shop item to your live stream, well, there are a few things that you may need to do first here. So, first things first is you may need to add an item to your showcase first. So, you want to go and just visit the product that you want to add it to your add to your showcase here, and at the very bottom, you should see the earn um, X amount on each product sold. So that's your commission. So let's go and just press one of them. And once you do select that, it should give you your promotion info here. Now you can go and just get a free sample here, find similar products, and once you've reviewed this, you can go and click on Add to Showcase. Now, if you do select that, it should be added into your showcase. Now, once you have that in your showcase, you want to go and just visit your profile, click on the plus button you see at the very bottom of your screen, and you want to go and just choose live. Now, in your live, before you actually go live, you should see the products option here. Now, you want to go and just select or click on it. Now, inside the product section, you should be able to see your showcase. And in here, you want to go look for the product that you just recently added to your showcase and click on the add option here in order for you to start using or add that into your TikTok live stream. But that's about it. So, hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.